Iedereen. We zijn part 2 aan het maken. Huh? Waar is Sander? Oh, daar. Wacht even. We hebben Sander weer, maar we hebben nog iemand. Oké, je mag komen. Thomas! Mijn beste vriend. Thomas, ga je praten of niet?
Yes, sir. Aan de bodem. Hallo, guys.
Eerste keer in de vid. We hebben eigenlijk wel een vid met Thomas gemaakt, maar ik had die niet geüpload, want Thomas zei iets inappropriate.
Yes.
Oké, maar deze keer gaan we iets doen.
En weet je wat? Wij gaan denk ik toch 3 tegen 3 doen, hè? Of gaan we met first?
Eerst 3 tegen 3. En de MVP wint.
Oké.
Wacht even. And if you guys don't know what MVP means, that means most valuable winner. Most valuable player, I mean. Okay, are you gonna do it?
Okay.
In 3, 2, 1,
go!
Are we going in or are we cooking them?
Cooking them.
Yes.
Go randoms. You know everything.
Fine, random.
Go random, you know what andere stuff you can do. Oh, back rooms. I know what I'm using. RBG.
Flare gun.
Fist, and on the top.
Yeah. Fist and for me medkit.
Now we go destroy.
Cook them.
Where zijn these noobs?
Wait a minute. Let me see if I have the right settings. Let's go.
Easy kill.
Nobody's dead. Glad.
Ik zag dat bacon. Easy.
I'm the MVP, but we will win.
Listen good. You cannot
Someone already left.
That's pretty not nice. Misschien moeten we wel sorry zeggen, maar we moeten winnen this match. Waar zijn die noobs?
Thomas, we moeten Engels praten. Ik praat Engels op mijn channel.
Oh. And now we must beat every people. Oh, I see Bacon there. We must kill him off. Bazooka RBG.
Where is it?
L. We won the first round. Good. We cannot lose.
You mean we won the second round? No, I'm not MVP anymore. But I will use another.
Never use something newbie. Every time use RBG as you are a noob. Cause that can you learn. Cause RBG is so easy to use.
That's not true. No, I'm not MVP. No, I'm not gonna be the MVP.
That is right.
I will have to be the MVP.
Yes.
And at the end of this, we'll do a 1v1 for extra points.
Yes. I can win.
I have 1 point. from first part. So I'm so right now I'm winning the whole thing.
Oh no, I dead. Maybe I win.
Okay. No, Thomas was the MVP. Thomas
Okay.
gets